Welcome, Paul Theron.
Hello.
Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, so unbelievable stuff that is happening in the banking sector. Societe Generale cutting costs and selling assets worth 4 billion euros. We don't know who's going to be buying those assets. HSBC might be selling the life business as well, also according to a source. So interesting developments.
Yeah, it's crazy. It feels like the same stuff, different day. European banks, if you look at the actual market moves of those this year, I mean, it's been absolutely shocking, the value loss that we've actually experienced during this period. But I'm not entirely sure what to make of it. I mean, we know where this is coming from. We know that it's got to do with the sovereign holdings of the financials and what it means for their capital adequacy and their statutory returns and all that nonsense. But I'm disinclined to get too drawn into it. For me, the bigger issue was that in Europe and in the UK today, they were saying, oh, well, there's this story of, you must have higher capital adequacy and you must ring fence your, private banking opportunities and separate them from your casino operations. But long term, I would say the issue really is, are banks going to be a good place to invest? Maybe, but for the moment it doesn't look like it. Is there a systemic risk that's going to cause the end of the world as we know it? I don't think so. I think it's more of the same sort of muddle through. So, I'm kind of sticking to my guns. I wouldn't be getting too pessimistic at this point.
Okay, and let's touch on Sasol, new CEO David Constable.
He looks
very
fantastic.
Optimistic about the shale gas environment, actually.
He looks fantastic. How does he look to you? I mean, you interviewed
he was
the
great.
guy.
I interviewed him, and very energetic and very knowledgeable.
And he opened his results presentation today about, how the MTN 8 game between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs had gone so well. So he's clearly making a big effort to integrate. But seriously, he looks as though he's got a good global perspective. And we know that that's what Sasol needs, is to diversify and, internationalize its business.
Okay.